Greetings, this is another tutorial on using crop layers and copying and pasting in paint.net. I've got my image here. I've got my image of a lion, I've got my image of a steak. You can see what I'm going to do. It's pretty basic. Drag the lion over onto .net, import it as a new layer. Yes, click OK, click OK. There's my lion. Now I'm going to drag my steak onto my paint.net. It's going to prompt me as a new image or as a layer. I want it as a layer. Click OK. Click yes, yes. OK. Now I have two layers. I have layer at the bottom and I have layer at the top. I don't need the lion layer right now, so I'm going to work on my steak. Control D to deselect it. I'm going to use my selection tool. Let's make this a little bigger. Use my selection tool, which is right here, the lasso, the circle, or the square. If I use a square, I've selected that part. If I use a circle and hold down the control key, I can add a little bit more to my steak or to my selection. Holding down the control key, I can continue to add big chunks all at once. And of course, we have the lasso tool. Again, let's zoom in a little bit. Control K to zoom in. I want to get my whole steak. So holding down the control key, I can add more of my selection. So I want all of my steak here. And unfortunately, paint.net does not have a pen tool. A pen tool would make this process very, very easy. If you're familiar with Photoshop, then you'll be familiar with the pen tool. This is a tool compared to Photoshop, but because it's free, it's beat. Photoshop Retail is a $600 application. So we're selecting the selection process. Here's my steak. I'm almost done. Make sure I get everything. Make sure I get all my steak here. Almost done. Almost done. Now, there's my steak. It is selected. If I hit the M key, watch what happens. It's now part of a different layer, or rather I can move this layer, and I have selected it. Control Z to undo that. I want to copy this. I'm going to create a new layer because I'm paranoid. Turn off my steak layer. Control D and then Control V. Now I have my steak. Turn on my lion. I have my steak layer held down. And now I can move in. Now I can move my steak into my lion's mouth. Thank you very much. It's been a quick tutorial on layers and copy paste in paint.net.